And how about you? Could you tell me about yourself in a brief?
Yeah. Actually, my name is Ankit. I am from Pune, Maharashtra, and I have completed my mechanical engineering in 2017. And now I am currently working as a quality engineer in private company. And my hobbies are listening to song, watching videos on YouTube, and sometimes I read a book. And I am a quite ambitious person. I love to take challenges, and that's all about me.
Nice to hear. We love to check it. So, could you tell me, means how many challenges have you taken till now?
Could you please repeat? I couldn't get it.
Yeah, yeah. I was saying, so have you read how many challenges? Because you said you are a lover of taking challenges.
Yeah.
As I
Actually,
ask a question,
actually, I will tell you the answer of this question. Actually, my friend has prepared. My friends are preparing for the government exam, and they got the exam. But I uh, means choose that field as a private job because I think that in private job we will also grow if we show our talent and dedication. So I think doing private job is also a kind of challenge. I have taken that challenge, and I'm also learning English, so it is also one kind of challenge for me to speak fluently in upcoming days. So this is also one kind of challenge.
very nice to hear. You have just taken two challenges till now. That's a good. So, do you have any plan to take the next challenge within few months, within the next few weeks?
Yeah, actually, when I get familiar with English and with over video call and all those things, in upcoming days I will start my YouTube channel. So this is also one kind of challenge for me.
Okay, that's great. Why not? You should.
Yeah.
So, basically, you are doing a private job and you are engineer, as you said. So, means previously you were preparing for government job.
No. Actually, I haven't prepared for any government. I directly enter in the private job.
Okay. No problem. So, yeah, tell me about your state something. Some.
About my
Yeah.
so actually, my name of my state is Maharashtra. So it is a very big state. As means as per area and all those things. And the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Means everyone knows that Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. And Mumbai is a place where the all means a lot of people came to visit and to see the beaches and gateway of India, all those things. And there are
Yeah.
four metropolitan cities in Maharashtra: Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Aurangabad. So I am living in one of the metropolitan city, Pune, and Pune is well known for the industrial and the automotive industry. So it is a hub of IT industry and automotive industry. And in Pune, there are so many places to visit. And in Pune, nearby to Pune, there are eight temples of Lord Ganesha. So it is a very famous places. Sorry, these are very famous places. And when
Is
nearby
it?
to Pune, Lonavala is a hill station to visit. Means a lot of people came to visit there. So Lonavala is a
Yeah.
very good hill station to visit in winter season. So this is all about my state.
Yeah. All right. So, what's the COVID situation nowadays? Is everything fine over there?
Yeah, actually, now everything is fine, and actually, I have taken the second dose of COVID, and in Pune area means 95% people have taken the second dose, and in some villages means they are starting their first dose, and in upcoming 2 to 3 months, all the people will get vaccinated. So I think the situation is now in control now, and there is no need to worry. Only we need to take the precautions and wear the mask and follow the protocols of the government.
Definitely. Because it's not over right now. So we should follow
Yeah,
this protocol as well till now.
yeah,
Yeah, so yeah, I think vaccination process, when it will be done, then the situation will be better for COVID more. Soon, very soon. Yeah, in my side as well, it is going. Someone has taken their first dose, someone has taken their second dose. So like this, it's a process because yeah, in our country there is huge population, so government they are just trying to cover. So that's nice. And yeah, ask. Are you about to ask something?
yeah, yeah. Actually, since
Yeah.
long I have been practicing spoken English.
Oh, are you asking about me? Okay. Okay. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
been, I think, 4 months, 4 to 5 months, around. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And what about?
And how do you practice? Like, what are your strategies to practice?
Yes, so initially, initially I started to watch video and I started to read article and I also started to just then I have found, yeah, I have some dare to talk. Then I started to audio call talking and all. And gradually I thought I should start to talking face to face more because until unless if I have not started to talk in face to face mode, then how can I justify ourselves that yeah, I'm able to talk someone else. So that is why I took this decision, and right now I'm working and I'm just doing this.
Yes, yes. Actually, you are doing really great work. And talking face to face means helps us a lot. Actually, I have started talking face to face 15 days ago, and I have got the confidence. And now I have started speaking in my office also in English with some people. So I have got the confidence when I started speaking face to face.
Definitely, if you have environment and then you should explore this knowledge and you should start to talk in English as well. Because in my side, yeah, sometimes I don't have this, and I in that I have to teach. But up to fifth grade, there is primary level and in regional language, so I have to teach in my own language, like native language, that is Hindi. So that is why sometimes, yeah, I can say I'm not much more able to talk them in English. But yeah, someone if they have environment, then definitely try to speak more and more. Then it would help.
Yes, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay. So as
Okay.
you told me, you are a teacher. So, means is it your passion or you are doing means for the means job as a job? Means is it your
Okay.
passion to be a teacher or some other reason?
No, now it's become a passion. Initially, I can say when I was student, so that time I didn't think that yeah I will be a teacher, but now it's my passion. I'm completely comfortable, and I would like to continue this journey and long as and like just not in primary level. I would like to explore like a lecturer and professor level. So that is why I also am here and I just yeah, that's
Okay.
all.
When we start anything new, so initially we get bored, but when we means involve ourselves completely in that, so we get the confidence to continue that journey. So this is also happened with me. Yeah,
Yeah, right. Because before that we don't had idea that yeah how it will be. When we started to do, then we came to know that yeah that is the process, and yeah it's also interesting. Rather than doing something else, making effort in another field, what you are doing, do it. Just determined. So I think it will be a more better than something
yes.
else.
So when did you start your
Yeah,
YouTube channel?
yeah, it is around I think 3 months. Shanta.
Okay, okay. And means how this idea comes in your mind to start your YouTube channel?
Yeah, that nice question. It just came without any preparation. Initially I just downloaded a app that was a Joss skill, and I started to talk over there on audio call. Then yeah, through that, and I also watched some videos related Joe's skill, Joe's talk. And then I came to know that there is a one option is also going in YouTube that you can upload your video and you can do practice. And because earlier I didn't have idea that yeah, this is also a process. Only I was just thinking only YouTube is for learning, it's for teaching. And then when I just came to know that, I thought, yeah, it's a good idea. Even in this way, I can do practice, and I also can just I have if I have that guts and if I have curiousness to talk someone else, then in this way I can do it.
Okay,
So
okay. That's
yeah, I just started it without thinking.
okay, okay. So have you taken the courses over the Jostock app?
No, I didn't take any. I didn't take. I think, but yeah, I watched videos.
Okay, okay. And those stock videos is also good because when we watch that video, we get the confidence to learn something new, and it motivates
Definitely.
something new in our life.
Yeah. As my first video was about Alina Rice, and I saw her video, and she was just talking about her experience, her journey, for English. So Alina Rice. Then that at the time I inspired, and
Yeah, yeah,
I
exactly.
just determined that start.
Yes, yes. I also watched the Alina Rice video, and her video was fantastic. that video helps us a lot because she shares a lot of exact means real things what has done in her journey.
Right. And we just feel familiar sometimes. So that is why it's easy to go.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay.
So you have questions you can ask me.
Okay. So how was your day today? It was holiday or not?
Yeah, yeah. It was today is my holiday and nothing. Just I'm relaxing now. There is no
Okay.
any work.
And how long have you been learning this
I have been learning since 2 months.
instrument? Okay. So what you are doing rather than this practice on Skype and all.
Actually, I practice daily basis over normal call, means over call,
You
and
go.
I'm doing this daily basis. Actually, we have a community of 10 to 15 people, and
Okay.
we have one WhatsApp group. Over there. We put the message who is available for the practice, and
Yes.
the person who is available, that people reply, and we get connected over call, and we practice on different topics or general things on our daily life.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
And that's
it's a
all.
nice.
Yeah. And I record my call. I I'm recording my calls, and I'm listening that call where I'm making mistakes. I'm making grammatical mistakes or the pronunciation. So I'm also doing that thing.
Right. Because our own recording helps many times. What we are doing while speaking. So we came to know just when we start to saw our video, right?
Yes, yes. So I think means English. We cannot speak English unless and until we will not do speaking practice. Speaking is a very important thing in speaking English.
Definitely, it's really important because we had idea, because we have read schooling and many things. So we had idea many things about grammar and all, but when it comes for speaking, so we start stuttering, sometimes fumbling. So speaking, it is a must part. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, tell me, do you have any other question?
So actually, I don't have actually.
So yeah, we would like to connect the next time.
Okay, no worries. All the best for your YouTube journey and keep
Thank you.
uploading videos. Yeah,
And it was a really nice conversation to you.
yeah, yeah. Same here, same here.
Okay,
Bye.
then bye bye.
Okay, bye.